So finding a place to get tested in Cartagena can be hard, especially if you don't understand the language. So I found this place that don't require no appointment, and it's only $35. So I would suggest going ahead to make it easier to get back home. So to get to the testing place, you're gonna start at Delirium. That seems to be like the easiest way. Pretty much everybody around knows what that is. So as you walk in, you're gonna see like a yellow building in front of you. You just know to make a right there. It's pretty simple to get to. Cartagena is pretty cool, so you know it's cool to just walk around and just view the sights and just relax and vibe. So even if you're not going to Cartagena, I think this is a good way to kind of see like what it's like. I say all the time it reminds me a little bit of Cuba, but a little bit nicer. So yeah, even if you're not going, just stick around, watch the video, just see what's going on.
Elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. What's the change foes on the team? Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chuck a look around. Find one to see my type. Now my dog and he knows what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet this girl tonight. Then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit.
So about midway there, you'll come across this little pizza shop, and that's how you're gonna notice you're in the right direction. Just keep straight past that. It's pretty much like one more right after that. You should be good.
I sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way. Jury in a safe on arrival, pistol on J's for survival. A lot of people gunning for the title, a lot of people trying to take us viral. I was trying to have a nice night though, baby brought a check for the meal. She said, babe, I think that was a typo. Nah, girl, I got it, that's light though. I can show you bigger things than that. It's gonna be a minute till I'm back. Let me get your images that last. Amex had a limit in the past. I had plenty women in the past. I done plenty sinning in the past. Don't need to know, but you can ask. Sticking on your backstage pass, all access, cause you bad. You could go wherever with that ass. Show to the shout, to the truck to the club for the party. You go in first with your girls, cause I don't know who's out there watching. But I do know one thing though, women they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday, Sunday, yo. Baby, I'll love you one day, baby, we'll someday.
So as you walk in, you'll see a big building in front of you. That's actually like the local mall. It ain't a whole lot in there. I'll take you for a little tour in there, right after this. You kind of just know you're in the right direction if you see that building, so it shouldn't be too much longer.
Godfather with a garden full of sneaks. Car Porsche trying to give away a raise. Brick ball trying to turn them into base. Big boy, I been trying by the phrase. Courtroom styling like I'm in the opera. When they got it, now these niggas wanna knock us. Bitches falling cause they need a couple dollars. But it ain't no problem cause a nigga really got it. Fat boy, rich nigga with an appetite. Count money all night under the candlelight. Spinning vinyl, Teddy P.U.s and Lionel. Not a model, but I know I be your idol. Big Mac bugging we without a lighter. On fire cause I'm just a different writer. Practicing social distance with all these bitch niggas. Guess he jealous cause I had his favorite bitch with a big buck. Stepping out a big truck. Stepping on my feet and get you fucked up. Got the squad with me and all they did was give me love. Foot locker 20 deep, a nigga spin a dub. G-Wagon for my bitch, I go live it up. Yeah, bro, this for these niggas, I'ma hit them up. Machiavelli is all eyes on me. Pinky rings is still them it all comes full circle. Class photograph, Sandy heavy on my Urkel. Patty Mahomes about to fall short a couple hundred. Seinfeld delivered, I fought the notary public. She witnessed me sign off on some undeniable numbers. Yeah. Make a set selling Croatia to get the leverage. Groundskeeper cutting the grass and clipping the hedges. I took 2 mil out the cage down in the desert. Mathematics calling the pitfalls, double checking. The numbers all good, just pay me, I'm at the Rhino. Realize the whole fam goons like Rollo. One truck in front of me, one behind me to follow. Let me get a lemon pepper order, please. You gotta have a link before you